Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best coolant burp kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner looking to maintain their vehicle's cooling system efficiently, ensuring optimal engine performance and preventing costly overheating issues that can arise from trapped air pockets, making it a crucial investment for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Number 5. OEMTOOLS No Spill Coolant Funnel Kit. Tired of spills and air bubbles during radiator refills? This kit is designed to make your coolant flush job clean and hassle-free. With 5 direct fit adapters, this versatile kit ensures compatibility with a wide range of radiators. It effectively prevents spills and trapped air during refills. Accessing tight or awkward filler necks is no longer a problem. The included angled adapter and extension allow for precise and easy coolant and oil refills. The integrated fluid stopper prevents drips when you remove the funnel. It's the ideal tool for a clean coolant change. This comprehensive kit comes with multiple adapters, extensions, a fluid stopper, and a transparent funnel. It's everything you need for spill-free fluid refills. What we like. This kit is designed to prevent spills and air bubbles during coolant refills. It includes versatile adapters for different vehicles and extensions to reach tight areas. If you're looking for a clean and hassle-free coolant flush, this is a great option. What people say. The kit comes with a variety of adapters to fit different vehicles. It effectively removes air pockets from the cooling system, preventing overheating. The clear hoses allow you to see the coolant flow and identify air bubbles. Number 4. HORUSDY No Spill Coolant Funnel Kit. Introducing the HORUSDY No Spill Coolant Funnel Kit. It's designed to make refilling your vehicle's fluids a clean and easy process, preventing messy spills every time. This kit ensures that fluids and oil are delivered precisely where they need to go. The long burp funnel effectively prevents spills and traps air during coolant refills after a flush. Unlike other funnels, ours features a special rotary switch for precise control over overflow and bubbles. You'll also find clear scale markings for accurate measurements. The long extension rod is specifically made for those hard-to-reach areas and can be used at any angle. Its thread reinforcement design guarantees no leaks, no matter the situation. This multi-purpose funnel kit includes everything you need: adapters, filler caps, elbows, extenders, and a durable transparent funnel. It's the perfect tool for engine flushing and works seamlessly with coolant pressure tester kits. Experience a spill-free solution for your automotive maintenance. What we like. This funnel features a special rotary switch for precise control of fluid flow and bubble prevention, along with a marked scale for accurate filling. If you need to meticulously control the refill process and avoid overflow, this is the tool for you. What people say. This kit is a lifesaver for bleeding cooling systems, making a typically messy job much cleaner. The adapters included fit a wide range of vehicles, which is a huge plus for DIY mechanics. It effectively removes air pockets, ensuring the cooling system is properly filled and functions optimally. Number 3. OEMTOOLS Coolant Vacuum Refill Kit. This kit quickly refills your vehicle's cooling system. It effectively eliminates trapped air, preventing potential engine damage. Perform vacuum leak tests on your cooling system with this tool. This ensures optimal function and helps you avoid costly repairs. Reduce the risk of engine damage caused by air pockets. It's an essential tool to prevent recurring cooling system issues. This kit comes with 5 additional bushings and a tapered cone adapter. It's designed for a wide range of applications. The tapered cone adapter provides a secure, airtight seal on most necks. Enjoy a hassle-free experience without custom adapters. What we like. This kit not only refills your cooling system efficiently but also performs vacuum leak tests to ensure optimal function. Its tapered cone adapter creates a secure seal on most openings without extra fuss. If you want to ensure your cooling system is leak-free and efficiently refilled, this is an essential tool. What people say. The kit includes a variety of adapters to fit different radiator necks, making it versatile for various vehicle makes and models. It effectively removes air pockets from the cooling system, ensuring proper coolant circulation and preventing overheating. The transparent hoses allow for easy monitoring of coolant flow and the detection of air bubbles. Number 2. EPAuto Spill-Proof Radiator Coolant Filling Funnel Kit. Introducing the EPAuto Radiator Coolant Filling Funnel Kit. This innovative tool is designed to make coolant refills clean and efficient. It features color-matched caps for dedicated adapters, ensuring you always use the correct one. This makes the filling process straightforward and error-free. Say goodbye to messy spills and trapped air in your cooling system. Proper filling prevents erratic cooling and heater performance issues. With the included 5-inch extension bar and 45-degree elbow, you can easily access radiator caps even when they are under shrouds or at awkward angles. This kit is built with a patented design, ensuring reliable performance every time you use it. It's a must-have for any car owner. What we like. This kit allows for color matching of caps to dedicated adapters, simplifying the process. It also includes extensions and an elbow for accessing difficult-to-reach caps. If you appreciate organized and easy-to-use tools for coolant filling, this is a solid choice. What people say. This kit is a great tool for bleeding cooling systems. It comes with all the necessary adapters to fit most vehicles. The clear tubing allows you to see the air bubbles being removed. Number 1. OEMTOOLS 27066 Coolant System Refiller Kit. Introducing the OEMTOOLS 27066 Coolant System Refiller Kit. This tool ensures a complete refill of your entire cooling system, including the heater core, making the job simple and thorough. Tired of time-consuming bleeding and purging? This kit completely removes all trapped air from your cooling system. It's a huge time saver compared to traditional radiator burping methods. Easily discover leaks while under vacuum. If the vacuum level drops with all valves closed, you'll know there's a leak in your system, allowing for quick identification and repair. This kit is widely useful, featuring 3 adapters designed to fit most common radiator necks and coolant reservoirs. It provides a versatile solution for various vehicles. Operating this coolant system vacuum kit is simple. Just connect it to your shop air compressor. The included Venturi valve efficiently creates a strong vacuum force for optimal performance. What we like. This kit is designed for a complete cooling system refill, including the heater core, and effectively removes all trapped air, saving you significant time. It also allows for leak detection under vacuum. If you need a comprehensive solution to refill and ensure the integrity of your entire cooling system, this is the one. What people say. It is a great tool for bleeding air out of the cooling system. The kit comes with a variety of adapters to fit most vehicles. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.